Hi Sir Balsa, I am Richard Elio. I am here right now doing the assignment number 4 by making a video tutorial on how to copy the number from calculator into the text document. As you can see, I have here a calculator on my right side and then I have here a notepad documents on my left side. Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Microsoft Windows Calculator. I'm going to show you how to copy and calculation made on the Windows calculator and paste the result into a Notepad document. As you can see, Notepad is open on the left side of my screen and the calculator is here in the right side of my screen. For this demonstration, let's just perform a simple subtraction problem. I enter the current year, this year 2017, and then I subtract the year where I was born, 1983, and then the result is 34. With this number visible to the screen of calculator, I press Ctrl C. This Ctrl C serves as copy, and then I click to the Notepad document and press Ctrl B. Ctrl B, this one is served as paste. This quick and easy way to transfer calculation from the Windows calculator to another application on your computer. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.